I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today I'm gonna do some rust repair on this. So a little bit of a lighter video. This is for a project that we got upcoming. My son was out here earlier playing with me, but now, as you can see, these are kind of filthy. We gotta bend, nail, hammer all that kind of back into shape. Someone's already tried rust proofing that before. We're gonna go through, fix this, and obviously fix that, because these are the new fenders for a truck that we'll be working on pretty soon here. And if anyone can tell me what fenders these era trucks are from, leave that in the comments below, because these were kind of a hassle to come across. But instead of paying $1,000 for a set of brand new ones, paid 50 bucks each. Gotta do some metal work there. And we're gonna get to that now, because I'm gonna just quickly sand off the bottoms here and see how bad the rust is, and we'll go from there. As you can see, I already took off all the junk on them.
Tell me something you don't know. I need to know you. Want to know you blind. Your wild is mine. Tell me that you were so low. You didn't know you.
So I just washed these out, as I don't know if you see the ground's all wet and this is all covered in grass, but that's fine. So the first patch we got to do is this one. Make this patch. Then I want to remake this whole lip down to here. I'll just probably cut a little fold. Well, no, I'll probably cut it right on the edge of the lip and just make a curved piece out of some of the steel. This is a complex piece. First has to be done, because this is where this line becomes one with this body. Wouldn't be so hard if I had a bead roller, but I think what I'm gonna have to do is make this piece longer, make a slice, or even make this piece and then bead it out in the middle there, because it does even out here, kind of where this line is, kind of all evens out here. It's where this point is. This is where it becomes flush, right here. So I might just do a flat piece and then weld it all in, and then maybe make some cuts and beat it in, weld it in. That might be what I do. I don't know. I'm not a professional at this. It would be nice if I had a bead roller, because then I would just roll it on the one little square piece out to stretch it. But do what I gotta do. But so I'll make a square piece here. Yeah.
Didn't know you. Tell me how you died in your past life. Clinging to the edge, I'm seeing red. Try to recall the best of what you said. Keep myself going into the unknown inside my head. Living like I'm kept, I'll never rest. Running right and left to keep my flesh. Need to get going into the unknowns outside my head. Tell me you don't wanna go, but you can't do it anymore. Standing too close to the shore. Heaven, screaming to heaven, screaming for everything.
My son's just hiding. Oh, time to get some welding done now.
Feeling for anything, so hold on to stop the fall. Screaming to heaven now.
So yeah, it's been running in here, and it's oversprayed, obviously, but these are used. This won't be ever perfect. As much as, like, yeah, rust will all fill in, make it last a bit longer. This is not a permanent fix. You want a permanent fix? Buy new ones. Problem is, new ones are $1,000. Once these are all done and painted up, it'll be like 250, 300 bucks. That's the difference. Now, I gotta make that piece. So, first thing I did was sort of flatten this piece out to kind of get the shape, as we can see right here. I want to make this lip first. Alright, now this has a bow in it, so do that. So, I'm not to admit not my nicest work. I made this bend a little bit too bad, and it's really dipped in there. So when that grides smooth, that will be filled in with Bondo a little bit. You can see where it is. It's fully solid. There's not a hole there. That blackness is just the flux. Oh, I'm losing my voice. And I didn't cut it straight perfect, but I don't have a dolly. It's solid metal now. The inside, that's ugly. That's very ugly. It's a lot better than what it was, but it's still ugly. But it's all strong now. It's all one solid piece of metal. So I'll grind this smooth, body fill this, make it look good. Body fill that dent in, make it look good. Sand the whole thing, and then get it ready for paint.
Tell me how you died in your past life. Clinging to the edge, I'm seeing red. Try to recall the best, the way you said. Keep myself going into the unknown inside my head. Living like I'm kept, I'll never rest. Running right and left to keep my flesh. Need to get going into the unknowns outside my head.
But I'm half debating because I'm feeling.
Listen to your body, sweetheart. You're fighting off something. If your body's saying it's all done, then you're all done.
I think my body is saying it's all done.
Yeah. We're about to head into bath time.
Yeah.
Just wanted to let you know.
Okay. Then I'll put this away and come make dinner, and then
Okay.
I might take a shower and call it an early night. I know I need to get these done, and if I felt good, I probably would. Right now, I
You
feel
like shit, so don't worry about it. Okay.
I gotta
Oh.
Bondo it a bit
Yeah.
because it's not perfect. Like there should be a line here that I didn't do.
Yeah.
So continue that down, smooth it down, fill in this little dip because it's not perfect. So with a little bit of Bondo, I'll make it perfect, but it's all steel.
That's awesome.
Jumping right back at it for this fender. This is the opposite one. This side you can see you have to cut out, make probably a U shape here, weld it in. I know there's a bit of curve here. I'm probably not going to care too much about that because there is an easy way to do that, fix that. And then this is just a uniformed glide there. You get fixed. This side is the hard side because one has this interior one that has to get fixed, and then
they have to make this outer lip. This bolt should just be able to get cut off and removed, because that hole is supposed to be here, and this is all strong. What I've been doing a little bit is just vibration. You can see the light coming up. So let's get started on stuff.
Tell me something you don't know. I need to know you. Want to know you blind. You are blind. Tell me that you're solo. You did to know you. Tell me how you died in your past life. Clinging to the edge, I'm seeing red. Try to recall the best of what you said. Keep myself going into the unknown. Inside my head, living like I'm kept, I'll never rest. Running right and left to keep my flesh. Need to get going into the unknowns. Outside my head. Tell me you don't wanna go, but you can't do it anymore. Standing too close to the shore. Heaven, screaming to heaven, screaming for everything we lost so they can take it all. Praying to desperate, screaming to heaven, feeling for anything to hold on to stop the fall. Screaming to heaven Heaven, I'm screaming to Tell me you don't wanna go, but you can't do it anymore. Standing so close to the shore. Heaven, we're screaming to heaven, feeling for anything to hold on to stop the fall. Screaming to heaven.
Now I've quickly sanded these and wiped these down because I want to put fiberglass to shape this, make this better. I gotta respray it, wipe it down, and fiberglass at the bottoms here, just to make them a little more waterproof, and maybe the lips. So all that's quickly sanded. I gotta quickly prep it again, and then I'll get the fiberglass ready and put it on.